In this video, I'll show you how to create a remittance in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the third option, which is Purchases. Now, under Purchases, head over to the second option and click on Bills. Once you are on the Bills section, what you need to do is simply head over to the top and click on the fifth tab, which is Paid. And once you are on the Paid tab, what you need to do is simply head over to a bill in which you want to create a remittance to. Let's say we want to do this for MCO cleaning services, so simply click on that bill. Once you do that, you want to head over to the bottom and the right corner. From here, you will see the total as well as the amount due. In the middle of that, you will see less. On the right-hand side of less, you will see a hyperlink for the payment. Now you want to click on the hyperlink for payment. Once you do that, it will take you to the transaction, and at the top and the right corner of that transaction, you will see the options section. Simply click on it, and at the bottom, this is where you can send it as a remittance. Now, if you click on Send Remittance, a pop-up will show. From here, you need to add the exact email address in which you want to send this remittance to. Let's say you want to send this to MCO Cleaning, and if you want to add another email address, you can either add a comma or a semicolon. At the bottom, you can use a branding theme for this remittance advice. I will set this as unbranded. At the bottom, you can also add an email template, and you can also change the subject as well as the message. Depending on your template or your branding theme, Xero does have a pre-built template, and it will automatically add the subject as well as the message. Now, at the bottom, you can send yourself a copy, and once you're ready to send your remittance advice, simply head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Send. Once you do that, it should automatically send this transaction as a remittance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.